Morning to all of you. Here this is Siddhi Srivastav from class 10C welcoming you all in this virtual morning assembly. Today, we might not physically be together, but I believe emotionally we are in touch. And what we need today is a positive vibe in our life. Surrounded with all of the negativities, we need to find something positive. So let's go and together pray from the supreme power of the universe for a better today and a better tomorrow. We are living because we have the reasons and responsibilities towards someone. So let's go and get reminded of our responsibilities towards our nation by taking pledge.
Be ready for pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Important role we all have to play in the situation we are living is to stay away from rumors and spread awareness in the society. For this, we need to be aware about our surroundings. So let's go and listen the news.
morning everyone, myself Shirja Gupta from class 6th. I am going to speak international news from FIFA Out. On the track to end lockdown on 19 July, say UK Health Minister. China vaccine crossed 1 million after missing 1 month pushing long. US share plan to across 55 million vaccine from its shock pills. Thank you. Have a nice day.
What's our today will be yesterday on our tomorrow. So let's go and get know about our past and someone's present by knowing the history of today.
Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to present the history of the day. Serbia declared war on Turkey in 13 June 1876. Tower Bridge opened in London on this day, 13 June 1894. Indian literature, Nagar was born in 13 June 1911. Kalyan ji, a famous film composer, was born in 13 June 1928. The world's first emergency number 999 was issued in London 13 June 1937. Mohammad Morsi became the president of Egypt in 13 June 2012. Thanks you.
Our mental health could decide our physical health, as our thought could determine our actions. So let's go and know the thought of the day for having a better perception of life.
Good morning to all. Myself Tanesh from Teresha House. I am present here thought of the day. All powers is within you. You can do anything and everything. All powers is within you. You can do anything and everything. Thank you and have a nice day.
गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। आज हम मॉर्निंग एक्सरसाइज में स्केल मसल्स एक्सरसाइज सीखेंगे, जो डेमो करके आपको दिखाया जा रहा है। सबसे पहले हमें अपनी आई रब की एक्सरसाइज करनी है। आई को क्लोज करना है, फिंगर की पोजीशन ऐसे रखना है, फिर अपने आई पर एक हल्की सी मसाज टाइप की करनी है। ये एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1 हो गई। दूसरी एक्सरसाइज है आईब्रो, जो हमारे होते हैं उसको हम मसाज करेंगे। हम इसको 5 टाइम करेंगे। नेक्स्ट है हमारी आई रोटेशन। अपने आईज को हमें पहले अप डाउन, फिर साइड टू साइड, फिर रोटेशन। नेक्स्ट है हमारी माइंड मसल्स एक्सरसाइज। इसको हम क्लॉकवाइज 5 टाइम, फिर 5 टाइम एंटी क्लॉकवाइज। नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज है हमारी ईयर एक्सरसाइज। ईयर की जो मसल्स हैं उसकी एक्सरसाइज हम करेंगे। नेक्स्ट है जो चीक्स है उसको हम रोटेट करेंगे एक्सरसाइज के लिए, क्लॉकवाइज एंड फिर एंटी क्लॉकवाइज। नेक्स्ट है नोज मसल्स के लिए। नेक्स्ट है लेग्स एक्सरसाइज। नेक्स्ट है हेड की हम एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, अप एंड डाउन करेंगे। अप फुल्ली डाउन, अप डाउन। नेक्स्ट हेड की हम साइड टू साइड करेंगे। 10 एक्सरसाइज हैं जो फिजिकल मसल एक्सरसाइज के नाम से जानी जाती हैं बच्चों। ये हमें अपने डेली रूटीन लाइफ में मॉर्निंग में करना चाहिए।
Nothing is before the nation, not even I, and not even the God. The national anthem is not only an anthem, but it is a word sculpture of our affection, love, pride towards our Hindustan. So let's go and sing the national anthem for showing our pride towards our country. I thank to everybody who had joined us till the very end. Remember this, the day you give up, the day you die. So stand strong because we are definitely going to win at the end. We will soon meet together and enjoy the life as we enjoyed before this COVID-19. Thank you and definitely you will have a good day.